few blackberries.
Oh dear, bit of a continuity issue there. Sorry about that, guys. I had intended to show you us washing the blackberries in water, salty water, to kill any bugs that were inhabiting the blackberries, but somehow or other that just didn't get videoed. So here we are. These are the blackberries we collected, or at least a small percentage of them, my portion, with a bit of cheesecake. So I'm going to eat them now. Sorry about that. What I should have done was shown you, we just put them into a bowl of water with salt in it, and the idea is that upsets any bugs that are living in there and they all swim away. Well, we've done that, and this is what we got left. They are rather nice. So for a little free session with my grandsons, collecting them, I've got a rather nice meal. We could have had them with ice cream, or even fresh cream. Nice and sweet. It's quite a nice little cheesecake as well. Tesco's finest. I don't think I showed it on the earlier videos, but I did explain to the boys that we needed to collect the ones that were higher up, so we didn't have to worry about what dogs do when they find something at leg height. And they're also well away from the road, so we don't get the exhaust fume pollution on it. Sorry about talking with my mouth full. There we go, that's it. Wild blackberries.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.